Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? So today we're gonna actually do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club, and it's called Mad Hatter by Hannah Lynn. And it's a round because it's pink, and it's a round circle. And it comes in a very cute box, and right here it says scan me to unlock for 10% off. In the back it tells you how it works, step by step, what's inside the kit in 3 languages: English, French, and Spanish. All right, so let's open this baby up. All right, oh, I don't want to rip the box there. So unfortunately right now Mad Hatter is out of stock, but if you click on email me, they will definitely notify you when it's back in stock, and hopefully back in stock soon. Okay, so let's see. All the Diamond Art Club paintings come with 2 stickers. One small and one a big one. The small one, which is great because you could actually put this in your logbook or on the bottom or the top of the box. Okay, and the toolkit is pretty cool, guys, because we never know what we're gonna get. Well, we never know what washi tape we're gonna get, or what cover minder, or what color pen. It's like a little surprise. So let's get this baby open. Okay, so as you can see, it's a pretty turquoise pen. Let's get everything out. Okay, put that aside. So it comes with resealable bags, which is great, just in case if you don't have the containers around, you could put the drills in these bags. Then it comes with a diamond pen, very pretty color, and it also comes with a comfort grip. Let's see if I can get it in, because as you guys know, I always struggle with this. Yep. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try, but anyway, this is supposed to help with your hands and your fingers, just in case if you have arthritis. Okay, and it also comes with, well, this is a single placer, which means it's just you could only do 1 drill at a time, but it also comes with multi-placer. So this one is I believe a 4 and a 7, so you could actually pick up 4 drills at a time, and with this one you could actually pick 7 at a time. I'm still working on the 4. And of course it comes with a heart-shaped container, and it's got the wax in here. And the wax, guys, comes with these plastic covering, I guess, to protect it. And so make sure that you peel it. See if I can get it, you see? And then of course you use the pen, and that's how you get the wax. In the beginning, when I started diamond painting, I was doing this. Yeah, struggling with it. I was like, what's going on? Okay. And then look at the washi tape. Ooh, it's pretty. It says, I love you. Can you see that? Very nice. And then this is the cover minder. Ooh, this is the first. I have no idea what this is, guys, but it's cute. All right, and the cover minder is basically, because all the canvases, all the paintings come with a plastic cover on top of the adhesive, and I guess to protect it. So basically when you peel the plastic back, you put the cover minder on the top, and then the magnet goes underneath the canvas, and they snap, and it holds the plastic back while you're diamond painting. And of course it comes with a tray. All right, so let's put all this aside so we can look at the painting. And of course all the canvases come in a plastic bag, so I guess when it's traveling, to protect it. And it says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle, but I always say do what makes you happy. Why not, right, guys? All right, so let's open this baby up. And what do we know about Hannah? Well, Hannah is a self-taught American artist, and she likes to bring color, light, and wonder to people's lives. I believe she has 22 paintings from Diamond Art Club presently, I think. And one is Spring to Life, Flower Market Girl, and Queen of Hearts. All right, so here's the big sticker. Mad Hatter by Hannah Lynn. So you write down the start date, and then when you finish the painting, you write down the end date. And this is perfect to put in your, if you have like a small binder. Okay, so let's put that aside. And here is the thank you for your purchase, what's included in the kit, tips and tricks, and step-by-step instructions. All right, these are the drills. Just in case you separate the drills from the painting, It has a sticker and it tells you these belong to Mad Hatter. Okay, so that's a good thing. And here is the painting. Very, very soft because all the canvases are smooth like butter. All right, so I'm going to unroll it and then I'm going to roll it the other way. So I'm going to unroll it and then roll it. It's just to flatten it a little bit because remember, it's been in the box. So if you leave it out for a little while, it will flatten out by itself. Okay. All right, so in the top, it always says, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. All right, let's open this baby up. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, and the bottom, it says, well, let me bring it up so you can see it. It says, it has a painting, the picture, and then it says DAC, which is Diamond Art Club, Mad Hatter. It's 17 inches by 24 inches, which is 42.6 centimeters by 60.8 centimeters. It's by Hannah Lynn and Diamond Art Club. All right, so take 10 for 10% off your next order. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And over here you have the lifetime warranty, which is a 30-day money-back guarantee, free diamond spill insurance, and 10% cashback rewards with every order. All right, and all the paintings from Diamond Art Club come with 2 legends. One legend, well, let me move this so I can see glare. One legend is on the upper left-hand side, and then the other legend is on the bottom right-hand side. The legend comes in really, really handy, guys, because it basically tells you how many colors. So it tells you it has 41 colors. And then in the middle, you have the symbols, and the symbols is what you find in the painting, and that's where you're going to place the drills. And then, of course, this is the DMC code, okay? And now let's look at this beautiful painting, guys. Look at this. This is the thing about Hannah Lynn, guys. She always, all her paintings are very, very bright, vibrant, and very colorful. And that's what I love. And, of course, she always has the big eyes, which is very striking. Okay, so let's look at this. So we have, as you can see, she's wearing a very, very fancy hat because she is the Mad Hatter from Alice in Wonderland. Actually, this is perfect if you're collecting them. The Queen of Hearts, and now you get this one, then you'll have both the Mad Hatter and the Queen of Hearts. And look at her hair, guys. It's like that pinkish. She's got like a little bit of, I guess, orange here. Lots of curls. And then she's wearing gloves, long black gloves. I'm trying to figure out what this orange thing is. Is that her hair? No, I think that's just the background. And then there's a tea. Ah, I see. Looks like there's a teacup here. Okay. And then there's a fork right here. And then over here is I don't know what that is. I think that's like a I don't know, like it has a 10 and a 6. And then of course he's got the scarf on her hat with polka dots. And then this one has like a little checkered here. And then down here, let's see, this is part of her hair. And then over here, she's got puffy sleeves, purple sleeves. And then of course, polka dots here. I love her outfit, guys. And then look at the flare on her sleeves. And then of course you have this background back here, like it looks like a card, like a playing card. And then of course this is her outfit, and then she's got a button here. And this is a zipper. Oh my God, it's just beautiful. And then over here, you know what this is? This is the back of her outfit. You know, like fluffy, gosh, what do you call that? It's like a skirt, the back of the skirt of her dress. Wow. It's gorgeous, guys. Let me just bring it up very quickly so you can see it's very, very clear, and the rendering is perfect. All right, let's see. Oops. Okay, there goes that little card, and then there goes the fork. And of course, her beautiful hair, those curls. And let's not forget the cup right there. And then her beautiful big green eyes. And look at that eyeshadow. It matches her outfit. And then cute little mouth, her pink cheeks. Love her gloves and her outfit. And this is the bottom of her outfit, of her dress. See how clear that is? Hopefully I didn't do that too fast. Can you see that? It's beautiful. All right, so let's look at the drills, guys. Okay, let's begin. 162 is blue, ultra very light. Can you see it there? I guess I can move it right there. 166 is moss green, medium light. 208 is lavender, very dark. 300 is mahogany, very dark. 301 is mahogany, medium. And of course, 310 is black. And we have 5 bags of 310. So let's put that right there. 327 is violet, dark. 333 is blue violet, very dark. 351 is coral. 434 is brown light. And 550 is violet, very dark. 600 is cranberry, very dark. 602 is cranberry, medium. 647 is beaver gray, medium. And 648 is beaver gray, light. Can you see that one there? Squeeze it in there. Let me move this a little bit over here. Okay. And 699 is green. 700 is green, bright. 702 is Kelly green. Love that Kelly green. 704 is chartreuse, bright. 782 is topaz, dark. And 783 is topaz, medium. And 796, which I did not write down. So it's like a blue purple. 823 is navy blue, dark. 890 is pistachio green, ultra dark. 894 is carnation, very light. And 898 is coffee brown, very dark. And we'll finish. 900 is burnt orange, dark. 938 is coffee brown, ultra dark. 939, we have 2 packets of 939, and this is navy blue, very dark. 945 is tawny. And 993 is aquamarine, very light. Very little of that one. And 995 is electric blue, dark. 3326 is rose, light. 3685 is mauve, very dark. 3848 is teal green, medium. 3851 is bright green, light. And this is the last one. 3865 is winter white. All right, so you got lots of greens, lots in the pink families. Of course, you got black, browns. It's got a little bit of everything, purples. All right, so let's move these aside. And let's bring out the ABs. And it looks like we have 4 ABs, which is cool. So you have 100 AB, which just means AB stands for Aurora Borealis. And it just means that it's got a special coating to make the drill a little bit more shinier. It's like a very pretty green, light green. And then 106, it's like a off-white. And 132, it's an orange. and 138, it's a blue. All right, so let's look to see where these beautiful ABs belong in the beautiful painting. All right, so we're gonna need the legend, and we're gonna have to move this lighting back so we won't have a glare. All right, so let's start with the first one. If you look at the legend, 100 is symbol 1. So wherever you see symbol 1 in here, I already see it here. It's gonna be, it looks like it's in the background, more back here. She has some in her eyes. Wow, that means her eyes are gonna be sparkly. And she has it over here in her outfit. Okay, that's gonna be very pretty. All right, so the next one is 106 in the legend. That's gonna be symbol number 2. So where we see symbol number 2, and it's gonna be on this card. It's back here. Right here, twos. Let's see, it's gonna be around her eyes. It's gonna be over here. I believe that's the background. And you have some over here in her outfit. What is this here? Let's see. Oh, that's just part of her sleeve. So it's gonna be on her sleeve. It's gonna be on her outfit. And over here on her sleeve. Beautiful. All right, the next one is 132, and that's symbol 3. So let's start from down here. So it's down over here on her outfit again. Wow, her outfit's gonna be really shiny, guys. Okay, and it's over here. So it's gonna be here in the background and on her hat, which is the fork. Okay, and the last one is 138, and that's number 4. And again, if you look right here, it looks like it's gonna be on the scarf here, some over here. Let's see, anywhere else? Oh, down here on the back of her skirt. All right, wow. Would you add any more ABs, guys? I don't know. Maybe I would. You know me. Maybe on the polka dots. I love the polka dots. So pretty. And maybe some on her lips. And of course, got to give her a little bit of highlights. She's gorgeous, guys. I love her. All right, so that's about it. I hope you guys love her as much as I do. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. And bye-bye, and thank you.